Once upon a time, a young girl named Lily lived in a gray and gloomy apartment in the heart of the city. Life was as drab as the walls around her, until one day, she discovered the transformative power of indoor plants. These leafy companions breathed life into her dull space, casting a vibrant hue on everything. They didn't just brighten the room, they brightened Lily's spirit too. They cleaned the air, uplifted her mood, and infused her every day with a hint of nature's magic. And so, Lily's life was never the same again, all thanks to her new leafy friends. Like Lily, you too can harness the magic of indoor plants. Just imagine these quiet, green companions not only enhance the aesthetics of your living space but also perform some amazing feats. They're like miniature superheroes, really. They improve air quality by absorbing toxins and producing oxygen. They're also known to boost mood, reduce stress, and increase productivity. There's something incredibly soothing about sharing your space with these living, breathing beings. But here's the best part. You don't need a sprawling garden or even a balcony. Indoor plants are perfect for apartments, offices, and even those awkward corners of your home that you're not quite sure what to do with. Now, are you ready for the big reveal? We've compiled a list of 7 stellar indoor plants that are not only easy to care for, but also add a unique touch to your decor. So buckle up. Now let's dive into our list of 7 stellar indoor plants that can transform your living space. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the snake plant, a striking addition to any room. This plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is a tall, upright plant that's perfect for corners or as a focal point on a table. It's one of the most resilient plants you can find, able to withstand low light conditions and irregular watering. So, if you're a bit forgetful with your plant care, the snake plant is your new best friend. Plus, its sword-like leaves add a modern architectural element to any room. Next up, at number 2, we have the pothos. This trailing vine plant is a popular choice for hanging baskets or high shelves. Its cascading green leaves can create a beautiful waterfall effect. The pothos is also known for its air-purifying qualities, and it's pretty easy to care for, thriving in low light and requiring infrequent watering. Now let's swing into number 3 with the spider plant. Its name might sound a bit creepy, but the spider plant is anything but. With its arching leaves and small white flowers, it's a charming little plant that can bring a touch of whimsy to any space. It's also a champion at air purification and is very forgiving, making it perfect for beginners. Moving on to number 4, we arrive at the aloe vera plant. This plant is not just a pretty face, but also a practical addition to your home. Known for its soothing gel, the aloe vera is a plant with a purpose. It likes bright light and doesn't require much water, making it a low-maintenance choice. At number 5 we have the classic English ivy. This climbing plant can be trained to grow on a trellis or allowed to trail from a hanging basket. Its delicate leaves add an elegant touch to any room. English ivy prefers bright, indirect light, and it likes to be kept on the moist side, so regular watering is key. Sliding into the 6th spot is the rubber tree. Its large, shiny leaves make a bold statement in any room. This plant can grow quite tall, so it's perfect for filling up a large space. The rubber tree enjoys bright, indirect light and likes to dry out between watering. And last, but certainly not least, at number 7 we have the peace lily. This plant is a real showstopper with its glossy green leaves and stunning white flowers. The peace lily is known for its air cleaning properties and prefers to be in a spot with medium to low light. It also likes to be kept moist, so regular watering is a must. And there you have it. 7 fantastic indoor plants that can add a touch of nature to your indoor space. So, are you ready to follow in Lily's footsteps and transform your space? We've explored the magic of indoor plants and discovered the fantastic 7 that can breathe life into your decor. These leafy companions not only purify the air but also add a touch of nature's charm to your home. We'd love to hear about your favorite indoor plants and creative decoration ideas. Remember, a touch of green can make a world of difference. So, why not start today?